Yes, so my people, God will bless una. Will bless una well. Make you realize, as for this new month where we don't enter, so say one of the things where they important for your life, now your health, anything wey go worry you, wey be say go carry you land for hospital, my brother, my sister, avoid them. Avoid them, because na person wey dey alive na get hope. Anything wey you know say e no go allow you enjoy the better things wey Baba God don arrange for you, comot hand. Because make wahala no go do you gbas-gbos, e be like say God no like you. This month wey you don enter, so make I tell you one secret. Go look Psalm 44 verse 3. E get better thing wey Baba God talk, wey want to favor your life. And make I tell you, for this new month, so as long as say Jesus na your Lord, e get 3 things wey dey inside. Go read them, make we know, make we talk, because Baba God get better things for you today. No let sickness kill you. No let worry kill you. No allow gbege and gbegerity sama you gbas-gbos. You go succeed, because now your destiny. No let anybody cheat you. You go succeed. God bless you.